Penny with Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm looking at this fabulous all 18 karat yellow gold 29mm Rolex Yachtmaster. I think this piece is perfect for someone who wants that luxury and wants that elegance, but also wants kind of a sporty twist to it, which is of course why the Yachtmaster was created in the first place, this mixture of luxury and sport. It's got an extra handy feature, this rotating bezel that you can use to time things, from yacht races to, I guess, making your eggs. This one also has this fabulous dark mother of pearl dial, and in my opinion, I think that dark mother of pearl sits beautifully in an all yellow gold watch. I think it reflects light in such a gorgeous way and just really adds a lot of interest to this piece. This one, as you can see, has these deep purples and greens. It's so gorgeous as you move your wrist around. I also love the hour markers on this. They light up, but they're also larger, so it's pretty easy to read, especially from a little bit further back. I think that they're a little bit more oversized than the traditional Rolex ladies hour markers as well. This piece is perfect for someone who wants that luxury and wants that sport all wrapped up into one fabulous package. So if you have fallen in love with this timepiece, or you want to purchase it for someone very special that you love, you should absolutely check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.